Hey everybody, it's Charlie and Chris with Daily Motor, and we're coming back at you with another EV charger unboxing and install. This one is from a company called Pion Power. This is their charger, I suppose. You go on their website and it just says EV charger. You can get this on Amazon, it's about $370, or you could buy it directly from them. We'll throw the links in the description if you're interested in this one. This is another good option for you if you've got some sort of plug-in hybrid or full electric vehicle and you either want a charger to be stationary in your garage like this, or perhaps one that you can throw in the car, take from place to place, and it's going to be pretty easily portable. It's going to take advantage of your full NEMA 1450 dryer style wall outlet. Your 240 outlet should be able to get you about 9.6 kilowatts of charge depending on your vehicle. This here Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV probably won't pull that full amount, but we should still be able to test it out and make sure it works. Without any further ado, let's open this baby up. This one actually came from Scarborough, Ontario. We like our Canadian friends up in Ontario.
What's your address on the top? Would you like me to not dox you?
Yes, can you do some, no, it's not. Oh, yes, it is, here.
Okay, well I'm over on the side, so you can't see it, but.
There you go. I mean, I've been doxed plenty of times on the fuel economy videos for all
That's
EVs,
true, so
I don't care. Let's try not to cut myself.
You got some snazzy pink scissors there.
Yeah, styling. We're out here at Scenic Emily's house once again.
It's a good spot for those.
Okay, I'm already dropping things. Look at this bag.
Ooh.
This feels very nice. I'm going to actually come down on here into the floor. I'm sure Mitsubishi appreciates us using their nice, what was the color of this paint?
It's fine.
Something pricey paint. All right, so here we got the bag. Got a little badging there. Zippers right nice up in front, and a carrying case. This thing is a bit heavy. Try your hand at it here, Chris.
Oh, my goodness.
Yeah, good thing I've been lifting.
It's quite heavy.
Yeah, it means it's probably pretty decent quality. I know this thing is UL certified. It's gonna be a nice, good, safe charger for Chris to actually use here. If we like it, he's gonna use it permanently. We've got some books, EV Flex AC charger it's called. I thought we were getting a blue one, but this one seems to be all black. We'll have to see. Steps for charging your vehicle. This is always good. This is going to give you troubleshooting for any sort of the lights you get, red, green, blue, how much it's flashing, what's going on. It'll actually tell you how quickly it's charging based on how many flashes you're getting. That's nice. Product specifications, should you need to analyze anything, the maximum output, there you go, 9.6 kilowatts.
That's the page for you.
Also, I believe, and this is really nice if this is the case, we'll have to confirm, I think this actually has two adapters. Yep, I can see it right here. It's got a 240 NEMA 1450 adapter and a normal wall style adapter. And that's gonna be really nice if you're traveling and say you're going to an Airbnb or something like that, and they're not gonna have a 240 charger there for you. You can at least carry this and charge it in a normal 110 outlet. That's going to give you up to 1.4 kilowatts, so quite a lot lower than the 9.6, but it'll still give you a few miles of range per hour that you're plugged in. What do we got here? Oh, a packing list, and I'm being a littering enthusiast. We've moved away from that phrasing lately, haven't we? Enthusiast.
Well, enthusiast, yeah, we have.
All right.
Yeah.
So first I'm going to open this. Chris, you're getting a pretty deluxe package here.
Yeah,
$370, this is pretty good. I believe there's also an app you can use to monitor charging and everything, but you shouldn't have to use it. All right, so here is your plug. This actually kind of reminds me of our Tesla. It's got a very similar feeling. Our Tesla charger had the same sort of setup where you got your normal wall style outlet here and then a different adapter for your 240. That should be probably, what is this? This is going to be a place, if Chris does choose to keep this charger and wants to put a mount, he can actually mount this into the wall.
That's convenient.
He would probably ask me if I could come over with my power tools and install it properly.
I think we have power tools here, actually.
Yeah?
I think there are some, yeah.
Okay. All right, let's put this here and not scratch the paint. Comment below if you're angry about us scratching paint. And here is the actual charger itself.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah, let's step in here, maybe get out of the direct sun a bit. It feels solid. This should be a 22-foot cable, so it should be nice and long enough for Chris to charge in pretty much any part of this garage. Right. There's your main area. There's a little bit of a box. This is how you'd kind of mount it to the wall.
Sure.
Oh, and Chris will enjoy taking that bit off
Oh,
there.
yeah. Can I take that bit off? Well, we'll wait till it's
Yeah, let's get
till
it
it's
out.
down.
So I don't scratch it up. Oh, I might want to utilize the scissors, but here we go. This
Oh, would
seems
you
to be
like?
the-
Oh, they're in your back pocket.
They are
aren't
in
they?
my
Are they
back
stabbing you right now?
No, they're not. They're quite closed.
Okay.
Yep. This is that. Let's pop this open. In fact, let's just make it look all nice here. I think they'd appreciate that.
Cool.
This seems to be some sort of safety ring. Wonder if it glows in the dark. Doesn't it look like it would?
Potentially. Well,
You can
now
use this as a shower curtain hanger
Now it's
afterwards. You reduce, reuse, recycle, or some nice earrings if you bought two. Yeah, very nice. Here's our thumbnail. Okay, here we go. The Pion EV charger. And as you can see, there's no way to plug it in here, and that's why we need to get the adapters. I see underneath is our 240 adapter.
Here, let's get this while you do that. Have you noticed that all you have to do is touch it and it springs itself open?
Well, not yesterday. Remember when the car was running and I couldn't, for the life of
Well,
me, get it
if
open?
the car is running, obviously, no, it doesn't like that. Massive door.
Yeah, because there's a level 3 charger in there, and it's CHAdeMO, the one that nobody uses.
Yeah, why?
Only Nissan.
I was wondering that. So we've got a CHAdeMO over here on the right, which we're not going to be using today. And then we have our little level 2 port right here on the left.
So
So that'll be ready to go.
Here you go, everyone. If it wasn't clear to you before, you've got
Oh, right.
both plugs. And this is good because you can, both plugs, same charger, actual apparatus, depending on where you need to use it. That's good. We haven't seen that from any of
We
the other
haven't.
EV chargers.
No, that's quite nice.
So I'm going to install the 240. Looks like I just do that.
So that just pops in right there, as you can see.
Yep. And then we'll take the whole thing, carry it to our.
See ya. Carry it over to our dryer. Dryer is plugging into the dryer.
Doxing my last name.
Everybody knows your last name. Which, is this installed upside down? Because it seems like it is.
You know what? It would seem that way.
Yeah.
I think there maybe is an argument for doing it that way because you could perhaps install the charger like this.
Yeah.
But I don't know why you wouldn't just install it down.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, I'm sure
Anyways.
Emily will appreciate knowing that.
Well, no, she already knows. Yeah, that's...
So unlike some of the other chargers we've seen, we don't have any sort of screen, but as I showed you in the manual, this will actually tell you what's going on with the charger. The green light is telling us it's ready to go, and Chris is going to take its little
Okay.
charger virginity here. Look at that. That is a nice, smooth piece of plastic there.
Yes.
This is sort of bungee. You can kind of... sort of fun.
All right.
All right. I'm hearing clicking. Oh, beeping.
Okay, I've got a blinking blue light here on the charger.
And how many times is it blinking, Chris?
Twice. Twice, and then it pauses.
Okay, 2 flashes of blue light means it's charging between 8 amps and 15 amps.
Okay.
Which is probably about the max that the old Outlander can handle.
Okay.
Because it would go all the way up to 40 amps if it were plugged into something like a full EV or
Sure.
a car that can support it.
All right, let's hop in here and just confirm that we are charging. Okay. So we've got half a charge right now. It looks like about 4 hours to complete our charge.
Yeah. Yeah. That's about what you're going to get in this car.
That's just because this is a Mitsubishi.
Rip.
Okay. All right.
This paint is so soft on this car.
Is it?
It's nice. Nice
Yeah.
and smooth.
Okay.
Now let's test out the 110. We're going to grab this. We're going to unplug this. Works well. I'm going to do it this way. Free up some hands.
Pretty easy to transfer there.
It is.
Okay. Cool.
We've seen all 3 colors, and then the green telling us we're good to go. And
Cool.
Just
And
like
let's
that.
compare.
Yeah. So the last one was 4 hours or so.
This is probably going to be double.
16.
11.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, about double.
Yeah.
A little more than double. So a couple of options there.
Triple. Yeah.
It's pretty neat.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
That's actually really good because, for example, this is a perfect use case. Chris might want to take a vacation from Scenic Emily's house and take this charger to perhaps a different house that only has this style plug, your standard wall style plug. It's not going to have this. So he can simply leave this, take the adapter, take the charger, put it in his electric vehicle, and off he goes. That's pretty nice.
Yeah, I am an enjoyer of this.
Good. Well, let's see. If you were to install this, it'd probably just be 2 screws, which I didn't see in there. I don't think they're included, but they may be. And then you probably just, well, you'd be in this interesting predicament where it's installed upside down.
Well, it's here, and then it would just kind of go like
Right,
that.
but the problem is I probably shouldn't have done that.
Yes, like that.
But this would just fall.
Oh, it would fall out.
So maybe you could,
Huh.
yeah, that you can't tweak that
Well,
so much.
this is not the charger's fault. It's
Yeah, no, certainly the
this plug being installed upside down.
Which, to be fair, you could probably easily just take off these 4 screws and rotate this plug 180 degrees.
Can you do that because you're a millennial?
See, there I knew it was coming. Yeah, and we'll follow back up with you all if we have any issues during our ownership period of the Pion Power charger. But I think
But
this
so
is,
far, so good.
yeah, so far so good. Also, feel this. This is like a kind of a rugged sort of feel.
Oh, yeah.
Kind of got a bit of a grippiness to it. I feel like there was one more bit of accessory that. Oh, I wanted to see how long it is. So if you, I'm gonna go back into our 240 here. Everything feels pretty well built. Doesn't feel cheap. Yeah, don't love just putting all that torque on there, but we're just gonna leave it for a moment. And if Chris wanted to, say, pull this car in, or maybe just on the driveway or whatever, barely, if you really wanted to put it full extension, you could at least charge a car.
That had it on the front.
Yeah, that
If
had
you
it on the
backed
front.
it in, I guess, but why would you do that? At least you have the option to.
Yeah, and say if you wanted to pull this car in and the charge port were like right here with the car pulled in or something, or some cars have them on the front like this.
Right.
You wanted to back the car, you can still do it. So it's good to have some flexibility. And the charge cable feels very durable and sturdy, not dirty. Before we end, let's see how easy it is to package it back up, should Chris want to utilize the carrying case. It's kind of got a sturdy side to it, which is nice. It's not just a weak bag. But there's no sort of Velcro on the bottom or anything, so if you put it in the back of a car in the trunk area, it will slide around. You could do, if you want to, you could put all your bits in the carrying top pocket there. Let's do that.
Thought you weren't being a littering enthusiast.
Well, I guess we are now. What is this? Oh, certificate of quality. It has passed the quality test, Chris.
Oh, very good.
All right. Ugh. So the question is how...
Well, you probably have to unplug
yeah, it's going to
the,
be best to unplug that.
make it a little bit shorter.
And then you can kind of just do this. Hopefully they don't want us to return this because it's getting a bit beat up. But hey, you know, if you own a charger, this is you're going to be late to where you need to go, and you're going to be simply throwing this in because you got to get it in there and you got to make it to your in-laws' house in time. The weather's garbage and you got to go. So force it in there. And it looks like you don't have to get it just right. Voila. So there it is, the Pion Power EV charger, giving you both 120 and 240 adaptability there. Pick it up online, link in the description. Chris and I have a whole ton of fun bringing these to you, so we hope you all find them useful. And if you own an EV such as this, which you can very clearly see is an electric vehicle based on the badging right there.
There's the biggest badge ever
Could
fitted.
never miss it.
No.
Yes, or any of the other type of electric vehicles that would take chargers like this, the standard SAE charger. This might be a good option for you. So thank you all so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one. We're Charlie and Chris with Daily Motor, and as always, drive on.